Alright guys, so today we are meeting up with Mike from SlowSpeed.
Right? The number one reason that I actually ordered the M4.
So let's just hop inside the 435. I actually gotta clean this thing. Maybe I'll clean it when I meet him. There's also a whole bunch of tools in this car, which I should probably take out. The interior is also a mess as well. I still have the car seat back here and some stuff from Impact from that road trip. So don't know if I'm gonna have time to clean all that, but it is what it is. So you guys know when you have like a whole bunch of clothes on your bed and then you move them to your chair just so you can use your bed? Well, the 435 is the bed right now and the 3 Series is gonna be the chair. So we're gonna try to move everything from the 435, try to empty it out, stuff it all inside the 3 Series, which is already full because I have a whole bunch of M Sport conversion stuff in there. So yeah, we'll see if we can dump all the stuff in here into the 3 Series, but we'll see how that goes. All right, so maybe let's start off with that car seat. It's actually the first time I had a car seat in this car, which was pretty interesting. If you guys are wondering how it works out putting a car seat in the 435, it actually wasn't too bad. Just reaching back here without extra doors is kind of a pain, but otherwise you definitely have the space to do it. So we're gonna toss this back inside the 3 Series, which as you guys can tell, like I was saying, I have a whole bunch of the M Sport stuff. This car is literally packed as well. I really need a garage, guys. I know, I'm working on it. It's just a lot tougher than it may seem right now, but we will get a garage and I will have a place to store all this stuff, my tools, the parts. But for now, this is what we have to deal with. Also, if you guys are wondering, I never just put a car seat in my car. I always have the seat cover, which is basically supposed to take most of like the pain of the car seat, because obviously like it's plastic and it could mess up your seats, as you guys can tell. The seats underneath are fine, so don't hate me. This thing pretty much protects it. Obviously, we have some other stuff like a mirror, so that's gonna come down. This is gonna come down. This we actually need. Let's take this all, put it in the 3 Series. I'll organize this later, but for the sake of time, we're just gonna toss it in right now. All right, so I did my best to empty out this car. There's still a whole bunch of stuff inside here, but it is what it is. We did the best that we can. With that said, guys, I'm gonna drive over to the spot. He should be meeting me there soon. All right, we got SlowSpeed just pulled up. This thing looks sick, man.
Get out your way, man.
Nah, you're good, you're good. I don't know if you know, I'm getting rid of my 435.
So yeah, I know. I don't know if you want to sit in the back.
I mean, I'll do it.
You can try, yeah.
You want to hold on to this for so people can make fun of me?
Yeah.
Yo, this isn't bad at all.
Nah, trust me. Stick your head up. You're not gonna have any room back there.
Nah. Oh yeah, you're
like,
right. Yeah, no, you're right.
That
one is actually more spacious. 435 is
yeah, way more spacious than back there, right?
Legit.
Now let me not take your legs out.
I need these things, right?
But yeah, they have those little things up top to kind of like give you more room, but it doesn't help like for your head.
Nah, it really doesn't.
It doesn't at all, man.
I mean, like it's not bad for a kid. It's not bad for like a car seat.
Yeah. Don't worry, I caught that all on camera.
That's alright. It's not like I'm cool or anything. So I'm not gonna say it. Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm recording now. What's up?
Recording?
You can edit it out,
So
whatever you want to say.
We'll edit it out. The next car that I'm getting. So for the viewers, this is where I'm gonna put it back in. They're not gonna see that. They already know I'm getting rid of that car. So like I'm gonna swap this out. Cause like I said, I have the 330, I have the XM40, but I want an M car.
Yeah.
This is legit. The next car I get is gonna be my M car. I'll take this. I feel bad. I don't want
nah, you good. You're
like you're holding 2 cameras.
Nah, but I think that car's gonna be dope. I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trust me. I think it's I can't speak too much, but I think it's gonna be nice.
All right, we got both of them next to each other. 435.
Okay.
And the G82 M4.
Do good, do great, and they talk bad on you. No need, no face, cause they're not factual. I won't stay too long here, I'm just passing through. I might hit the bank and get a bag or 2. My mama asked me why you got that cash on you. Second you switch up, they might get mad at you. No, you're not my friend, so no, I'm taxing you.
Number one reason that I actually ordered the M4
Okay.
was because the way I drive this car, I drive it aggressive, right? And God forbid something happens, it's about a year wait. So the one that I'm getting now is a year wait.
You get a backup plan?
So if I end up flipping or totaling this thing, I don't want to wait a year. So let's say I total it like 6 months down the line. I only got to wait 4 months now. You understand what I'm saying? That's honestly the main reason why I decided to order another one.
I mean, listen, if you're gonna order another one, sell me this one.
Well,
Come on.
Wait a year. Come by then I know you're gonna.
No, that's all right.
Yeah.
You sell me this one, right? You have your 335. You rock that for a bit. You know what I mean? I'll rock the M4.
Yo,
just keep everything on it too. Stickers and all.
Yeah.
Stickers and all.
But that's why I got it. And honestly, bro, see that now I'll be honest with you though, right? So the new one's a little bit different. This one was 82 grand.
Okay.
The newer one is like 97 grand. So.
X-Drive? Huh?
Yeah, it's an X-Drive.
Okay.
Individual paint interior.
There's individual interiors?
I mean, my bad.
Exterior?
Sorry. Individual exterior.
Okay.
Carbon buckets. I'm not gonna get too much of the colors because I was gonna ask.
Yeah,
X-Drive, individual paint color outside, the inside, carbon buckets,
okay,
the laser lights, a bunch of different things that I decided to spec out. Still open for wood and stuff like that. But
you really like the wood, huh?
Yeah, I really do. I love it actually.
Yeah.
But I ended up ordering another one. And like I said, I put my deposit down. They told me about a year.
Okay.
I may not even get it.
The individual color. That's what makes it take longer.
I don't know what the hell makes it take longer, but
it's the individual. I asked. I'm not gonna say why I know that, but I asked.
So, but what I'll tell you is, man, like it started out because of that, you know.
Okay.
Literally, one of my boys was just like, "Yo, Mike, send her," and I had to explain to him, like, bro, I know I love sending it. My M340, I love sending it. My 435, I'll do donuts up and down the street in the local back blocks.
Okay.
But this, you got to think about it before you do something. Like, yo. If I decide I don't want it or I like this one better because it is a lot cheaper.
Flip it.
82 grand. Yo, yeah, I could always flip it.
Yeah.
But I'll either keep it or move into the next one and try extra power. So.
Okay. I think you said it in a video.
What's that?
Why'd you pick rear-wheel drive instead of?
I've never had extra BMW, right?
Really?
So funny thing is, every all-wheel drive BMW that I've driven, not that I've had, it understeers a little bit. Like it doesn't drive like the rear-wheel drive versions. Like my 435, for instance, I would get into an all-wheel drive 435, 335, anything. When you take it to a corner, it just doesn't feel like the rear-wheel drive. You can feel a difference, right? The M's I've heard, the X-Drive M's were better. However, I didn't want to wait extra long. You know, they were telling me the X-Drive ones didn't come out yet, or a big story.
Yeah, because you can switch it.
Yeah.
So like you get the best of both worlds.
I've heard the X-Drive ones are better. You know,
really?
But at the same time, I mean, it's like as far as launch and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Like they're better than the non-M X-Drives.
That's fair.
But it's like, screw it, bro. You only live once.
This
is my 6th BMW, and they've all been rear-wheel drive.
Bro, that's crazy.
And I live, man. Winter tires, and I go everywhere. I go outside for fun in the winter time.
I mean, you know what's crazy? So like, I was even saying it. So like, my 435, right? Like, when I bought it, like I was telling you off camera, I got X-Drive because I thought it was the smart thing to do. I even said this in one of my videos. It's like, it was the smart thing to do, especially for my parents. So like, I'm Arab. Yeah. And like, my parents tend to be very Arab. Yeah. So like, even when I was buying a car with my money that I graduated, like
I understand,
You know what I mean? So she was still like, my mom was like, I had the 2-door Civic, and she was like, I told her I want to get something a little faster, a little more fun, something I can enjoy a little more. She's like, get an SUV. I was like, nah, I don't want to get an SUV. Fun fact, actually, one day I took, because the car was under warranty, right? I took it into service, and they gave me an X1 as a loaner. Bro, I took that. I was still living at home. I parked it in the driveway. My mom was like, "What is that? What is that?" I was like, "That's my new car." Her face lit up because I had the Porsche. She was like, "Oh, you got rid of it." She was so happy because she knew, you know, we all push it a little bit. You know, I don't go above the speed limit, but we push it a little bit. So she knew, oh, you're gonna drive it unsafely. Yeah. But anyway, so the point is, so like when I decided to get this car, my mom was like, at least get all-wheel drive. Yeah. And I was like, all right, you know, probably makes sense. That way I can drive it year-round. So I did. I'm not gonna say I regret it, but like, I wish I got the real drive. You were kind of like saying it before, like at the end of the day, like the tires really are the most, because that's the only thing.
Touch the ground at the end of the day. You always touch the ground on the tires, so it's like get the right tires, you're good to go.
Exactly. Like your tires are the most important part, and that's also something I said in the video. Is like I kind of wish I got a rear-wheel drive 435, especially knowing where I'm at today, because like I have the X3. That's like my wife's like family car. The 330, I also got all-wheel drive because I was like, it's not a fast car. It's a daily.
All-wheel driving, that makes a lot more sense because the purpose is totally different.
Exactly. Yeah. But the 435, like legit, especially now, this is like my fun project car, or at least it was, right? Like I'm selling it. I wish I had a wheel drive.
Yeah. The reality is you're not gonna take it out in the snow.
No.
You know what I mean?
No. Yeah. That was the whole point. I got the 330. So another fun fact is like, I know the people on my channel already know this, but like I had this front lip, the JHP front lip. One of my favorite things on the car, right? I had a forged carbon one. I was driving this car actually to the shop to get the valve cover gasket fixed. Bro, legit, on the way, I hit like a patch of snow. It's probably like, I don't know, it's like freaking 4 inches off the ground. Destroyed the front wheel. Started driving in snow. I had no choice. But I swear after that, that was like one of the main motivators for me to get the 330 and just get like a daily. And just like, I love this car, man.
It's the same concept I have behind this car. Commuting is probably where your car gets most destroyed because one, you're typically running late. You know what I mean? And two, you know, you got to park it X, Y, Z here and there. Everything's not like planned, you know? When I'm taking this car out now, it's planned. Like I know, okay, I'm going here, I'm going there. I park far away. Like it doesn't.
You avoid those bad roads that you know. But if you're commuting, you have no choice.
And since you're in a rush, you don't think about it. You go, oh, whatever, I'll just deal with it later. And then you know,
bro, that's so true.
I would never commute in this car.
Thank the Lord when I wake. I've been sleeping like a baby cause I know my paper's straight. Another day to the grave. I get it cause I got to. I got kids I need to pay. I've been getting paid. I've been eating good. I've been putting on some weight. If I got a problem, I just call my brother babe. This is like a warning shot to get up out my face. This is like a warning shot to get up out my way. This is like a warning shot to get up out my lane.
M4. 435 looks good, but the M4 just hits different. By the way, guys, check out this view. Look at that. That's cool. So we're in the same garage, except we just went down one more level. Did she get you?
She didn't get me. Luckily, I pulled out at the right time. Come on now. Why would you do that?
I'm sorry, I didn't know what was.
Alright, just push it straight in.
Okay.
Alright, now go. Let it rain.
Give me a second.
So I know this video is kind of all over the place, but I basically had my wife pull up. Mike wanted to check out the X3, so he had her come through. After that, we all kind of just hung out. We actually went and got some food. But yeah, that was pretty much it. So you guys didn't really miss out on much. We just kind of like stood there and talked for a little while. Mike is a super cool dude. If you guys don't watch his channel already, one, I'd honestly be surprised, but if you don't, I will leave a link to his channel down in the description below. But yeah, if you guys want to see more collabs between him and I, we'll definitely do that. He lives pretty close to me, so I know there's a whole bunch of like crews in California and in Florida too, where, you know, people kind of meet up, different YouTubers and stuff like that. I don't really know many people in New York other than SlowSpeed. So I think it's pretty cool, even that we just have each other. So, but otherwise, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you drop it a like, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And with that said, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.